Hello folks, first of all, for the best viewing experience, please watch in full screen mode at 1080p pixel to see the fine details of SkinGen. The SkinGen is a new software which is going to be launched I think at the quarter of 2020, and this is very good for the character creation and details. You can create and give very refined details. Let's watch the video to see what SkinGen can do. Dynamic skin effects layer stack. It can work in skin base, normal effects, skin details, blemishes, and the quad, like you get tattoos and all things, and the body hair. And it has the layering levels and the patterns. And the best part is that you have the sliders to work on this one. You just choose the slider and slide them here, just 0 to 1 value, and you will get a final refinement on the skin. So you just create your own base mesh if you want to work on that. In future, the gaming industry will adapt this very well, because this is going to save a lot of time to make a character very realistically. It has the muscles, body, vascular system. You can just define your vascularity, the veins, the arteries, the flow of arteries, the blood levels in the arteries, the hemoglobin, the skin pores. Everything has his own slider to work on. And actually the best part is that it is working very refinedly on the minute, like primary, tertiary and secondary details. As you can see in the video, it is working on very detailed. You can work on your hands, you can work on your chest, like every single body part has their own folder to work on, and everything has a very detailed description of that. So you can work very detail, like lips sections, the layers, the wrinkles on the lips, the bumps, the displacement map on the skin, the pores, the blemishes, the spots, everything. Like you can see in the lighting condition. And the maps like triplets maps, AO maps, everything you can bake in 4K, and it is using the texture from Texture XYZ, and with it is also compatible with the Adobe Substance Painter for the better refinement if you want to post process the things. Like in the past industries and the past workflow and the future is going to change a lot. You can see here the capillary effect, like how the cheek, the capillary is working very well. The colors on the veins, you can define it well. You can give a tint of the color to make it more like this guy's belongs to 16 or 18 years, from the adult or young age or to the just old age. It creates a very subtle effects in every single detail. You can see the veins. You can change the veins, the strength of the vein, the tint on the vein. If you want to make a zombie or something character, or just a highly muscular character, or just a different kind of like you want to design something, a creative character for the future thing, so you can do. And the best part, the wrinkles on the skin are very realistic. The textures are, I told you, this is compatible with Texture XYZ, so you can do the refine with the better texture quality. Look at the hair, the body hair, how the body hair are working. Subtle effect on the beard, your subtle, like your stubble, the short hair, like stubble, beard and chest hair, everything you can refine it. Look at the lighting condition. Even you can work on your eyebrows, eyes part. Every single section is covered with slider. Age, gender, ethnicity, everything is covered. Look, the tear bags, how poppy is the tear bags. It's very good. The wrinkles around the eyes, the lacrimal part of the eye, and the eyebrows, and this. You can see it's looking so much great. So zygomatic arch. Look at the bumpiness on the zygomatic arch. The capillaries effect. Look at the, like here, the freckles on the skin, the blemishes, the spots, the jagginess on the skin. Everything is covered just by slider. This is the best part of this software. You can design on your base in ZBrush, get it to the Retopoid, get it to the SkinGen, and work in very detailed manner, the texture quality. And after that also, if you want to improve the texture, if after working on the SkinGen, you feel that I need to work on this texture more, I want to refine this texture more and more, this is compatible with Substance Painter. You can just import the file to Substance Painter and started working on that. So it's hyper realistically workflow. I seriously love this SkinGen. I'm just waiting to try my hands on in this one, because it's going to come out very soon. Look at the wrinkle effects on the hands, the aging. Everything is so good. Everything is so damn good. These guys are doing a very great job for the industry. This is how science and tech changes. This is how you create, like, what I remember around 10 years back, we were using 256 pixels of maps, and right now we are working with 8K textures, and the refinement is very realistically. And older days that you have a control on the mesh, there is a there's a gap in the mesh quality, the texture quality, everything. But as the science and tech is improving, as your graphic card, GPU technology, as your CPU processors are getting better day by day, you can try a super realistically character to work on. It's good. It's very good. Okay, as you can see, the blend modes, the blemishes on the nails, the details, the worn effect, the dirt effect, the blood stains, everything is controllable. Every single thing is controllable. Like this work, if you used to do it, it takes around 1 or 2 or 3 days to work on. Now it needs few hours to refine the things very properly with PBR theory, based on PBR theory. So that's great choice. These guys are doing great. I give them a thumbs up, definitely. You can try it on after launching. And SkinGen is a feature extension or plugin for Character Creator 3. The UI in this web video is still currently working, and the brand for this company is Reallusion. You can check everything on their website. You can go and check it out more. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. I will keep posted you this kind of work, so you will be always updated with the industry workflow. And share the video if you love it. Let them people know what's going on in the game industry and what you have to learn. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.